Must-visit Pad KraPOW restaurants in Bangkok. Pad KraPOW Pad Kafera, which directly translates to stir-fried holy basil, is a popular stir-fried Thai dish that combines any kind of meat, could range from chicken, beef, to seafood, with holy basil and chili. A favorite and staple in Thai cuisine, the food is usually served with rice and a fried egg, adding a delicious touch. You can find Pad KraPOW anywhere in Bangkok, such as in your nearest canteen or mall. With so many options to choose from in Bangkok, it can be difficult to know where to start. Here are some of the Pad KraPOW restaurants in Bangkok that you won't want to miss. 7 highly recommended Pad KraPOW spots. 1. KraPOW Tapai, Ram Kafera Tapaya. KraPOW Tapai, situated near the Sukhumvit MRT and Asok BTS stations, is a culinary delight with a special focus on Pad KraPOW dishes. This unique venue offers Pad KraPOW in 4 heat levels, catering to varying palates, from not spicy, less spicy, normal spicy, and very spicy. Their menu showcases a range of Pad KraPOW variations, incorporating Szechuan pepper, charcoal grilled chicken, and sea bass, among other ingredients. Recommended dishes include their sour plum soup with marinated minced pork balls and minced beef Pad KraPOW. The adventurous can test their taste buds with the Carolina Reaper pepper-infused Pad KraPOW, regarded as the spiciest in the world. 2. Original Pad KraPOW 1993, Kafera Thay 1993 Krungthanburi. Original Pad KraPOW 1993 is a recommended establishment for individuals seeking an authentic and exceptional Pad KraPOW experience. Despite its compact size, this shophouse-style restaurant services an abundance of orders rapidly and efficiently, whilst offering delivery options. Kafera Thay 1993 Krungthanburi Kapreo Ter Krung Thonburi. With prices starting at 59 baht, their flavor-packed Pad KraPOW offers several meat options and 5 levels of spice, including a fiery level 9 spice level. Situated conveniently near Wonguyen Yai BTS, the establishment boasts not just for its extraordinary Pad KraPOW but also for its welcoming service. 3. Kod Kafrao, Kota Kafera. Specializing in all sorts of Pad KraPOW dishes, Kod Kafrao is a must-visit dining spot. They are known for the delicious stewed pork KraPOW, and the minced pork Pad KraPOW, complemented by a unique salted fried egg, comes highly recommended. Their choice of meats is consistently fresh and high quality, offered at very fair price. Situated conveniently near RE BTS, the frequent diners of Kod Kafrao can easily access the eatery, which also offers home delivery options for those who prefer to savor their sumptuous meals at home. 4. Dejapawa Domsuk, Ded Kafera Zoomsuk. Dejapaw is a popular dining establishment that stands out for its Pad KraPOW offerings. Served distinctively in pans, other dishes include garlic rice with minced pork, Pad CEW, and a few variations of fried rice. With the restaurant's Pad KraPOW, customers of Dejapaw can enjoy an extensive variety of choices, such as beef, pork, seafood, and noodles. Guests can choose their preferred heat level for their Pad KraPOW, catering to all types of taste buds. The restaurant has other branches across Bangkok, with one near Sena Nikom BTS station and another at Sukhumvit 22. 5. KraPOW Kun Pho, Kafera Kun PHX. KraPOW Kun Pho, a popular Thai fusion eatery, specializes in making interesting Pad KraPOW dishes such as pepper shrimp KraPOW, kurabuta KraPOW, and ground wagyu KraPOW. Its menu also includes intriguing fusion dishes such as Wat Risotto, Thai chili paste risotto with calamari, and Wat Pizza, roast chashu pork with Thai chili paste sauce pizza. Offering a warm ambience and obliging staff, one can't help but appreciate the clean cafe-like setting, suitable for those who do not enjoy dinginess of roadside stalls. Don't forget to order their signature heart-shaped fried egg to complement your Pad KraPOW dishes. 6. Ung Jia Huad, Zung Kwad. Managed by a small team, Ung Jia Huad is an established Thai culinary spot. Despite the restaurant's modest ambience, its reasonably priced items, such as the minced pork pad KraPOW and pad Kimao, drunken noodles, shine due to the chef's experience. Just down the road from the infamous Soy Cowboy, this kitchen's reputation among food bloggers and its popularity as a lunch junction contribute to its value. Don't be discouraged by the rundown appearance. Many emphasize the excellent quality of the pad KraPOW sold here. Make sure to not miss out. 7. Fedmark. Fedmark is a dining establishment known for its connection to prominent food and travel influencer Mark Weems. Situated near Ekamai BTS, it captivates food enthusiasts with its exquisite Thai dishes, especially pad KraPOW, available in 5 different spice levels. While the restaurant may not accommodate larger groups due to its limited space and high demand, it offers a delicious pad KraPOW experience in Bangkok that encourages frequent returns. The variety and customization options on the menu only enhance its appeal, making it a beloved hotspot for culinary exploration. Bangkok is a foodie's paradise. These are just a few of the many great places to try pad KraPOW. With so many great restaurants to choose from, it's hard to go wrong. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your cutlery and start exploring the many scrumptious pad KraPOW restaurants in Bangkok.